Can you imagine earning over $15,000 a month just by using TikTok and AI? It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many. Today, we're going to show you how you can tap into this lucrative opportunity using innovative AI technology. We know that creating viral content on TikTok is a significant challenge, requiring a blend of creativity, timing, and relatability. It's not just about being unique, it's about striking a chord with a vast audience and navigating the ever-evolving trends and algorithms of social media platforms. The solution is InVideo AI, similar to ChatGPT, designed to transform text into engaging videos. It simplifies video creation, allowing anyone to produce captivating content without needing advanced editing skills or equipment. Just input your ideas, and the AI turns them into share-worthy videos. But how? Don't worry. We will show you step-by-step how to use it and earn a lot of money from TikTok. 1. How to access InVideo AI. Start by going to the official InVideo AI website. We've added the link to the official InVideo AI website in the video description for your convenience. You can easily access it using the link. Sign up for an account using your email, Google, or Facebook credentials. Once logged in, you're ready to start inputting your text prompts and creating your videos. 2. Make a video. Start by crafting a detailed text prompt. This should outline the core message or story you want your video to convey. Be clear and specific to ensure the AI understands your vision. Let's say, I want a video on 5 ways to stay fit that is less than 60 seconds long. And the video should have captions and background music. Select the target audience for your video. Choose the platform. We're focusing on TikTok, so select the YouTube Shorts option. Ensure the video is short, engaging, and formatted for vertical viewing, as these characteristics are preferred on TikTok. Pick a style that aligns with your content and audience. InVideo AI offers a variety of styles, from professional to casual, to match the tone of your message. Wait 2 to 5 minutes and amazing! Our video is ready. Here is...
Welcome to your quick-fire guide to staying fit. 1. Embrace the power of movement. Whether it's a brisk walk or a hardcore gym session, staying active is key. 2. Eat wholesome and balanced meals. Remember, your body is a temple. Fuel it wisely. 3. Ensure you're getting a good night's sleep. Rest is just as important as exercise in maintaining optimum health.
3. Editing and customization. Don't settle for less. If the beginning clips of your video aren't up to your standards, InVideo AI makes it easy to switch them. Just type a prompt like, "Replace the first few clips with high-quality professional footage that aligns with my video's subject." Get the perfect voiceover with a simple prompt. If the current narration doesn't match your vision, tell InVideo AI exactly what you need. For example, alter the voiceover to a tone that's more engaging and suited to my content style. Music sets the mood. If the default track isn't fitting, InVideo AI lets you change it effortlessly. Write something like, "Switch the background music to a lively, upbeat tune that complements the energy of my video." Maximize your video's impact. InVideo AI can add powerful calls to action. Just prompt it with, "Include calls to action at key moments, encouraging viewers to follow, like, and share for wider engagement." 4. Exporting the final video. When exporting your final video from InVideo AI, follow these steps. Once your video is ready, click on the Export button to begin the download process. Choose the resolution for your video. Options typically range from standard definition to high definition, depending on your needs and the platform you're using. Decide if you want to keep the default watermark. Paid plans often offer the option to remove or customize the watermark. After setting your preferences, download the video to your device. Our video is ready. Here is...
Welcome to your quick-fire guide to staying fit. 1. Embrace the power of movement. Whether it's a brisk walk or a hardcore gym session, staying active is key. Don't forget to follow us. 2. And balanced meals. Remember, your body is a temple. Fuel it wisely. Like this video if you're committed to eating healthier.
Benefits of paid plans. Paid plans offer enhanced features like higher resolution exports, watermark customization, access to a wider range of editing tools, and priority customer support. These features can significantly improve the quality of your videos and your overall content creation experience. TikTok monetization tips for non-eligible countries. Use a proxy or VPN to create an account in a country where TikTok monetization is available. like the US or UK. This method allows creators to bypass regional restrictions and access monetization features. Another strategy is to collaborate with a friend in the US or UK. By partnering with someone in these regions, you can access TikTok's monetization features more directly. Just remember to navigate this partnership carefully, respecting both legal considerations and TikTok's terms of service. Once you have your TikTok account set up and ready with content, the key is consistency. Start uploading your videos daily. Regular posting not only increases your visibility on the platform, but also maximizes your opportunities to earn money through TikTok's monetization program. And that's a wrap on how you can earn $15,000 per month using TikTok and AI. Our goal is to deliver valuable, productive insights. If you find this info helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. What would you like to see next?